Hello and welcome to this introductory course of OpenBuildings Designer Connect Edition. My name is Sergi Ferrater Gavarro. I'm an architect. Also, I am BIM Virtual Design and Construction Product Manager in Icon Soluciones, it's in Spain, and I am also a OpenBuildings Designer Qualified Trainer. First, we will present the interface with a sample model that comes with installation, the different toolbars for the different disciplines, architecture, structures, mechanics, and how to use the different views of the model and display styles. Also how to handle layers of the different linked files of a federated model. Later we will learn data entry, modeling some walls using drawing aids such as AcuDraw and AcuSnap, and also using some annotation tools. Next, we will begin to model the foundation by creating our base grids and placing objects on the grid. We will use the same technique to place structural elements such as slabs, columns, and other structural elements. Before starting to model the architecture files, we will learn how to use the family and part system to create composite walls, such as a multi-layer facade wall. And we will see how OpenBuildings Designer allows modeling as it is built, that is, connecting compound walls to obtain precise measurement lists or stretching one of the layers of the compound wall to cover the edge of the slab. Then we will place parametric doors and windows and modify their properties in the Place Object window and edit them using the head-up display annotations. When we model interiors, we will use the self-reference method to draw as little as possible, so that when we modify any object in one of the apartments, the other is automatically modified. We will model stairs using the different placement options, customize the different components of the stair, and create our mixed steel and wood staircase. To model a railing, we select the railing, customize its components, and place it to the stair with just one click. To place furniture, we will download libraries of objects for the industry on the internet in Revit families format, and we will import these Revit files as OpenBuildings catalog items so that we can use these Revit files as OpenBuildings catalog items with all the BIM properties of the original file. The next step will be to model the different floors of the building following the Bentley federated reference system, that is, breaking down each floor into separate files of structure, exterior, interior, etc. Creating the master file of each floor and then compose the different master files of structure, architecture, and link this to the master model of the building. Once we have modeled the entire building, we will produce drawings of floors, elevations, and sections that will be automatically saved in their folders within the project structure. We will customize the representation of the drawings and use the markers to easily navigate between drawings and sheets. And if we need to complete our sheet with a drawing of the detailed section of the facade, we will create the drawing directly on the sheet, and we will edit the drawing presentation using different display styles for the cut objects, for the projected ones, and we'll get back to the sheet with the updated presentation. To complete the model of our building, we will create spaces and use the advanced property item search to create thematic color maps based on certain BIM property values. And to review the model, we will do a clash detection between different files to correct the modeling errors within OpenBuildings itself. And we will see how easy it is to correct these modeling errors using the clash display styles. Finally, we will produce high-quality images with the OpenBuildings rendering engine that allows to adjust the light, the position of the sun, the environment, the type of environment, and to load the material library to customize the material properties and learn how to apply materials to objects in the model. And then we will render the image. Once the images have been generated, the system saves all the images to be able to edit, save, or delete them. We will also export our building model to different exchange formats such as PDF 3D and IFC, assign the IFC classes and types, and open the IFC file in different applications to check that everything is correct, such as BIM Vision or Synchro 4D to assign the model to task of a schedule. And to finish the course, we will export the model to Lumen RT to produce high-quality images in real time. We will modify materials, create spectacular effects of nature and life, such as weather, types of sky and clouds, birds, etc. We will model the terrain, paint vegetation, place people and cars, and produce an animated video for our clients. So I hope you will enjoy this introductory course to OpenBuildings Designer.